In the ancient narrative of Noah's Ark, a universal flood is unleashed, cleansing the world of its corruption. Noah, chosen for his righteousness, gathers his family and pairs of every creature, embarking on a divine mission of survival. But beyond the dramatic deluge lies a profound exploration of renewal and promise. After the waters recede, a symbolic rainbow appears, representing God's covenant with humanity, a pledge of hope and new beginnings. This story is not just about destruction and preservation, but also about the enduring promise of trust and faith. Spanning cultures, it's a testament to resilience against overwhelming odds, reminding us of the innate human capacity to rebuild and strive for a harmonious future. As we navigate our own challenges, this ancient tale continues to inspire with its timeless message of hope and redemption.